Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing sci-fi fantasy art in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First we take a document, just click on File, New, then Create. So your document is ready. Now next work, we just place some images. For example, this one is our first image, so we just select this one by using quick selection tool. So this one is our first image, so just drag and drop and adjust this image as per your document. Okay, so this one is your first image and I select this one also. So this time I use pen tool, just zoom your image by using Ctrl+ and simply select this area. Right click, make selection. Okay, so this one is done, and simply place this one in your new document area. So this one is placed. First place in that portion. Okay, and make this one duplicate and edit, transform and flip horizontal. Edit, transform, flip vertical, then place another one in this area. Okay, this one is perfectly placed. So this one is done, and our next work, we just select this area. Right click, make selection, then press OK. Select a layer, then solid color. I think black is perfect for my work, so I select black color, then press OK. And leave this one same as it is. And our next work, we just place some images like sky image. So just place this sky image, just place this one behind this. Select this layer, take clipping mask, go to brush tool, take soft brush, is perfect, and simply apply this. Then take this waterfall image, just take laser tool, press Ctrl+ and simply select this waterfall. So just simply select this one. Okay, so this one is completed, the selection is completed, and we just place this one in our new page. So okay, edit, transform, warp to. Okay, so this one is done, and take mask layer, go to brush and make opacity 62% and simply apply these areas. Take mask and take mask and remove this one. Just click on mask layer, make opacity this time opacity make this time is 20% or 12% is perfect, and remove these lines. select again warp tool and click on mask layer, go to brush and remove this line again. So this one is completed, and we just select this one more time, go to hue saturation and clipping mask. Okay, and do the same thing with this one. Okay, just take a blank layer, go to brush, this time select a black color. So this one is done, and we are going to adjust the desert image or desert color. So again, take hue saturation, decrease the saturation, and next we just change the color of this desert. So click on adjustment layer, go to color balance, select clipping mask. Okay, and again click on adjustment layer, go to curves and clipping mask. Okay, so this one is almost done, and we just select transform and warp. So this one is perfectly placed, and next I just change this upper image layer. So I place this one. I think this one is look more good, so just place this one like this and select a mask layer, go to brush and remove this. So I think this one is looks much better than the previous image. So this one is completed, and we just place a truck image. So this one is, just place this one in that portion. Okay, and last we just place a model. So I think this robot image is perfect for my artwork, so I just place this one in that portion. Okay, and our next work, we just make this one little bit more darker. Okay, and we also make little bit changes on our desert image. So we just click on adjustment layer, and this time we select exposure. Okay, so this one is perfectly placed. Select your spaceship image and select curve image, and okay, first we just provide a shadow. So just take a blank layer, go to brush tool, select black color and simply place this one. And again duplicate this one. And again duplicate this one. And the work is completed. Our next work, we just provide some lights. So first we start our work with this vehicle. So just click on adjustment layer and select curves, and okay, then take a blank layer and select linear dodge and select solid color. Okay, Control I, zoom your image, go to brush tool, make opacity 100%, make foreground color white and apply these lines. Then again take one more layer, just clipping mask, go to linear dodge, select solid color, and this time we just select this orange color. Just Control I to inverse the layer, go to brush tool and simply apply this. Okay, I think this one is completed. Next we just take a blank layer and select linear dodge, adjustment layer, solid color, and select again orange color. Okay, Control I to inverse this layer and make opacity this time 40% is perfect, and apply this like this. So this one is completed, and we also add extra lights in our water image. Take a blank layer, select linear dodge and select solid color, select blue color, blue is perfect, just right click and clipping mask and select blending option, hold Alt key. Okay, Control I, and we are going to add some lights like this. And click on and click on curves and make this one little bit darker. And second, we just add a shadow. We just take a blank layer, make opacity 40% is perfect, and apply this. Okay, so this one is done and the work is almost completed, and we just add some glow effect. So we just take again linear dodge, go to adjustment layer and select solid color and select blue, then press OK and right click, blending option, press OK, Control I, brush, So my friend, the work is almost completed and we are going to adjust our final step. So we just use camera raw for our final touch. So just we merge the complete work in one layer. So just hold shift Ctrl Alt plus E, right click, convert to smart object, filter, and select camera raw filter and adjust this one. So my friend, I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.